Max Ward was a pioneer in many, many ways. He started off with opening up the north, being able to provide air services to the north. But more importantly, he began to lobby the government in the late 60s, early 70s to deregulate the industry, to allow more competition and enable commercial charter services to be established.
The recommendations I am proposing in policy is airline deregulation.
We see parallels with him and what he did in the early 70s. AIRmarket is doing something similar, except working with the regulators to define the regulations, build the commercial market, and prove out the technology. We're facing as an industry a pilot shortage, and to be able to remain more cost-effective, drones are an answer to that. NAV Canada sees the need to be able to provide these services and sees the need for third-party private service providers like AIRmarket to provide these services. We're helping to teach and learn together with NAV Canada and Transport Canada what do the regulations need to look like? What does the technology need to look like? In the early days when Max Ward was establishing commercial routes, he needed the government to be able to deploy ground infrastructure, things like navigation aids, radars, air traffic controllers. All of that infrastructure had to be deployed, set up, and operated to enable the commercial industry to flourish. We're at the same inflection point nearly 60 years later with the use of drones. We need the investment with the telecommunications companies that we're partnering with, such as TELUS, to be able to support this essential emerging industry.